you're experiencing audio desync issues in Fortnite, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to get your audio back in sync. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Go to the Settings menu in Fortnite and navigate to the Audio Settings. Ensure that your output device is correctly selected and that the volume levels are appropriately set. Step 2. Update your audio drivers. Make sure your audio drivers are up to date. Go to the manufacturer's website for your sound card or use a driver update tool to download and install the latest drivers. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Sometimes, adjusting the in-game settings can help. Try lowering the graphics settings or changing the audio quality to see if it resolves the desync issue. Step 4. Restart the game. Close Fortnite completely and restart it. This can refresh the game and may resolve temporary glitches that cause audio desync. Step 5. Check for system updates. Ensure your operating system is up to date. Sometimes, system updates can fix underlying issues that affect game performance, including audio synchronization. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any audio desync issues in Fortnite. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Fortnite support for further assistance.